Ever pondered the purpose of an engineering change note? Well, allow me to unravel the mystery. An engineering change note, or ECN, is a document that signifies a proposed alteration to a product's design or manufacturing process. In essence, it's a formal declaration of an intended change. These changes can range from minor tweaks to significant overhauls. They might involve altering the dimensions of a part, modifying a material specification, or changing the manufacturing process. In fact, if you've ever used a product that seemed to improve over time, there's a good chance an engineering change note was involved. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important? Why can't engineers just make changes as they see fit? The answer lies in the complexity of modern manufacturing. In today's globalized world, a product might be designed in one country, manufactured in another, and assembled in yet another. A change in one place can have a ripple effect across the entire supply chain, affecting everything from cost to delivery times. That's where the engineering change note comes in. It serves as a communication tool, ensuring that all stakeholders are aware of the proposed change and have had an opportunity to assess its impact. It's a way of maintaining control and consistency in a complex, interconnected world, and it's not just about communication. The engineering change note also serves a legal purpose. It provides a record of who proposed the change, when it was proposed, what the change entails, and why it was deemed necessary. This can prove invaluable in the event of a dispute or a product recall. In summary, an engineering change note is a crucial tool in the engineer's toolbox. It ensures communication, control, and legal protection in a complex and ever-changing world. So, the next time you marvel at the latest improvement to your favorite gadget, spare a thought for the humble engineering change note. It's the unsung hero of the engineering world, quietly ensuring that progress continues, one change at a time. In the end, it's all about making things better, isn't it? And that's something we can all appreciate. So here's to the engineering change note, the silent champion of continuous improvement.